The desert air was dry, sharp, and unforgiving. Dust swirled lazily across the shooting range as distant gunfire echoed like thunder rolling across empty land. Rows of targets stood battered, some torn clean through, others barely scratched. At the far end of the range, a young woman moved quietly between them. Her name was Elena Cruz. Dressed in a faded maintenance uniform, she carried a bundle of fresh paper targets under one arm and a staple gun in the other. To everyone else on base, she was invisible, just another civilian worker assigned to cleanup duty. No rank, no badge, no story. Just a job. A group of Navy SEALs stood near the firing line, their rifles resting against their shoulders. Sweat, grit, and frustration were written all over their faces. Winds shifting again, one muttered. Or maybe you just missed, another joked. A third one scoffed. At this distance. Not a chance. Their shots had been inconsistent all morning. Targets placed over 800 yards away demanded precision, and today, something was off. Elena quietly removed a shredded target and replaced it with a fresh one. Her movements were efficient, practiced. Too practiced. She paused for a moment, glancing back toward the firing line. Watching. Calculating. One of the SEALs noticed. Hey, he called out casually. You ever fired one of these before? The others chuckled. Elena didn't respond at first. She simply pressed the new target into place. I asked you something, he said, a bit louder this time. She turned slowly. Once, she replied. That answer only made them laugh harder. Once. What? At a carnival. Another joked. But one man didn't laugh. Chief Petty Officer Ryan Hayes. He had been silent most of the morning, observing, analyzing. And now, he was watching her. Really watching her. The way she stood. The way her eyes tracked distance. The way she didn't react like someone intimidated. He picked up his rifle. Walked toward her. The laughter behind him faded into curiosity. When he reached her, he held out the weapon. Show me. The others went quiet. Elena blinked once, surprised. I'm just here to replace targets, she said calmly. Ryan didn't move. Take it. A long pause. The wind picked up slightly, brushing strands of hair across her face. Slowly, she set down the staple gun. Took the rifle. The weight settled into her hands like it belonged there. And in that moment, everything changed. She stepped up to the firing line. The SEALs exchanged glances, some amused, some skeptical. She's not serious, one whispered. Elena adjusted the stock against her shoulder. Checked the scope. Her breathing slowed. The world around her seemed to disappear. No voices. No wind. No pressure. Just distance, and a target. 800 yards. Crosswind. Mild, but shifting. Elevation. Slight drop. She didn't rush. Didn't hesitate. She squeezed the trigger. Crack. The sound echoed across the range. Everyone leaned forward, eyes locked on the distant target. A second later, a clean hole appeared. Dead center. Silence. No one spoke. Elena didn't react. She simply adjusted the rifle slightly. Fired again. Crack. Another perfect shot. Same spot. Now the SEALs weren't laughing. Now, they were staring. Ryan's expression didn't change, but his eyes narrowed slightly. Again, he said quietly. Elena exhaled. One more shot. Crack. This time, the bullet tore through the exact same hole, widening it. A near impossible grouping. At that distance. In these conditions. A low whistle broke the silence. No way, someone muttered. Elena lowered the rifle. Turned back to Ryan. And handed it to him. Just like that. As if it meant nothing. But before she could step away. Ryan spoke. Where did you learn that? She hesitated. For the first time, there was something in her expression. A shadow. Long time ago, she said. That's not civilian training, he replied. She didn't answer. Instead, she picked up her staple gun. Turned back toward the targets. But Ryan wasn't done. Who are you? He asked. She stopped. For a moment, it seemed like she might just walk away. Disappear back into the role everyone had assigned to her. But then, she glanced over her shoulder. And said quietly. Someone who doesn't miss. Then she kept walking. The SEALs stood frozen. No jokes. No laughter. Just silence. Respect. And one question hanging in the air. Who had they just witnessed? Ryan watched her until she disappeared behind the rows of targets. Then he looked down at his rifle. And for the first time that day, he smiled.